Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the exact split. This is critical because Excel freezes everything above and left of the active cell. Select the cell immediately below the row and to the right of the column you want visible. Once done, go to the View tab and look for Freeze Panes. Choose Freeze Panes to lock both rows and columns at once. This method avoids guessing, and it ensures the freeze matches your data layout, so headers stay visible as you scroll. If you want only top rows, select the first cell of the row beneath your headers. Then choose Freeze Top Row or Freeze Panes, either works. For left columns, select the cell in the first column you want unfrozen to the right of locked columns and pick Freeze Panes. To lock a true half sheet, both rows and columns, select the intersection cell that splits the halves and freeze. Make sure no merged cells cross the split. Because merged cells prevent a clean freeze, finish by testing the freeze. Scroll vertically and horizontally to confirm the intended half remains fixed. Save the workbook to preserve the setting. If you need to change it, use View right arrow unfreeze panes, then select a new cell and reapply freeze panes. If the freeze seems ignored, make sure split is off. Remove merged cells across the split and turn off sheet protection. These commonly block freezing. One quick troubleshooting tip: unmerge problematic cells first, then reapply the freeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.